Welcome back to Part 4 of this 10-part introductory series on ArcGIS Online Map Viewer. In this video, we'll look at how to find reliable geospatial data from within ArcGIS Online, where to search, how to evaluate what you find, and how to add a layer to your map. In the Layers pane, start by clicking Add. ArcGIS Online organizes content across several different locations, and knowing which one to search will save you time. The default search location is My Content. This is anything you've personally created or uploaded. If you followed along in Part 3 of this series, you should see the feature layer you created using a CSV here. If you're new to ArcGIS Online, this section will be empty. Click on My Content to open a drop-down with more options. My Favorites holds anything you've bookmarked. My Groups shows content shared within any group projects you belong to. And My Organization searches anything that anyone at Iowa State has made publicly available within our ArcGIS Online organization. These can be useful in specific situations, but they won't be your go-to for most searches. The two options you'll use most are ArcGIS Online and Living Atlas. ArcGIS Online searches all publicly shared content from users around the world. It's a vast resource, but because anyone can upload data, you'll want to evaluate the source before using it. ArcGIS Online gives you 3 ways to do that. First, look at the name of the user that uploaded the data. Government agencies, NGOs, and Esri itself, the company behind ArcGIS Online, are generally trustworthy sources. Second, look for a green authoritative checkmark, which means Esri or another trusted organization has vetted and approved this as authoritative data. Third, watch for a blue Living Atlas icon. This means that Esri has included this dataset in its curated collection of high-quality geographic data. This brings us to our last search option. Selecting Living Atlas directly limits your search to that curated collection, a good starting point when you want quality data without much filtering work. Let's give it a try. In the Living Atlas search, type ACS population. ACS stands for the American Community Survey, published by the U.S. Census Bureau. Scroll down until you find a layer called ACS Population Latest. Let's run through our 3 trustworthiness checks. It was published by Esri using data from the U.S. federal government. It has the green authoritative checkmark, and we already know that it's part of the Living Atlas. We can feel confident in this data. Let's go ahead and click Add. The dataset should appear on your map. Next, in Part 5 of this series, we'll go over how to understand and interpret this data.